Hello, everyone. I've received so much interest in my short about the rats of NIMH experiments by John B. Calhoun in the 50s that I thought I'd go ahead and make a full length video. Although this shouldn't take very long. NIM stands for National Institute of Mental Health. These were government funded experiments. What he did was he created rat and mice utopias. He dug giant holes in the ground. He provided, these are utopias, so he provided unlimited nesting materials and food. And he just wanted to see how these animals would behave in a domesticated environment. And I think that we should take these experiments very seriously because they are not much different than our society. What he observed was that as population density increased, behavior became more and more bizarre until finally the entire colony collapsed in every single experiment, which means that they all died. I think we're experiencing some quite bizarre behaviors in our society. The trans movement, and all of this incel stuff going on. These so much bizarre behavior. And what caused this collapse was that the mothers could not nurture their young. And that's the most important takeaway here. They were being held captive by these possessive males. Well, that's pretty much monogamy, right? What is the fantasy that's played out in every fantasy story, in every game? Donkey Kong, rescue the princess from the beast, from the beast, from King Kong. Zelda, rescue the princess from the pig man. Hades steals Persephone away into the underworld. Our mothers are being stolen from us when we're babies by this monogamous male. That doesn't occur in other primates. There's no nuclear family in other primates. There's no monogamy. The females in our society are being held captive by the male power structure, forced into labor in an industrial society, unable to care for their young. And the young have gone insane, like children in an orphanage, which results in autism on a mass scale. Their emotional needs are not being met by the mother. The mother has abandoned them. You know, the result is what we call narcissism, arrested development, immaturity, infantile behavior. And somehow we look up to these severely infantile, narcissistic people like Donald Trump and elect them as leaders, just like the Germans elected Hitler, the most infantile person in history, who used to throw temper tantrums on the floor like a baby. We are a sick society. It's the result of domestication, population density, infantilization, behavioral sink, mass psychosis. If you found this video interesting, you might check out my other videos. Take care of yourselves. Thank you for watching.